Ladies and gentlemen, humongous shakeup in the health insurance industry. The biggest thing since Obamacare, the ACA. Okay, if you've seen the news, you've probably heard about this $1.9 trillion stimulus bill. Since money seems to not matter anymore, it just can be created out of dust, and we can print it and use it and spend it on whatever we see fit. Whether or not I agree with this, or whether or not you agree with this and all of this government expansion and free money printing, doesn't matter. Okay, there are some good things going on, and if they are available to us, I'm here to help you take advantage of it. Simple as that. Okay, so a few big things have happened. And now remember, just in relation to the health insurance market, one is if you have received any unemployment this year, if you lost your job anytime from January to now, or maybe even soon, you're going to want to contact me right away. The ACA or Obamacare, okay, or one of the rules of this American Rescue Plan is there are humongous benefits to those that were unemployed. They are the government is capping your premiums for many of you that receive unemployment, even one check at $0. A lot of you will receive free health insurance just because you've received one unemployment check or more for this year. It's wild. And those plans will be very low deductible, low out of pocket, low copays, all that good stuff, okay? Typically, people getting unemployment will receive some type of subsidy, but we have to base it on the projected income for the entire year. Now, at least by how I read this bill, it doesn't matter, okay? If you've lost your job, the government is looking to help you out, and in the health insurance market, you're going to receive a ton of benefit. Simple as that, okay? So without getting too deep into it, you're going to want to message me right away, even if you already have insurance, to see if we could take advantage of all this. Number two, subsidies. Subsidies through the ACA or Obamacare are always based on your projected income for the year, okay? And when I say 400% FPL, I mean federal poverty level. The government has a table of income from 100% to 400% of federal poverty level, and for a single person, that's anywhere from about $13,000 to $50,000 a year. Oftentimes, you can qualify for subsidy. That number's higher. Like if you're a couple, it's probably closer from $20,000 to $64,000, $65,000, $68,000, somewhere in there. Okay, those people always qualify for subsidy. Now, once you fall or go above that 400% federal poverty level, you get nothing. You get no help from the ACA, and that's why the ACA plans are wildly expensive for a lot of those people making an average income. Now, the government's saying that you can potentially qualify for subsidy if you do make over 400% federal poverty level. The way they determine that, and I don't want to get too technical, like I said, just call me, but the way they determine that is the second lowest cost silver plan available to you in your county, no matter what your income is, the cost of that plan cannot be over 8.5% of your income. If it is, they're going to subsidize that difference, and you could choose any plan based on that subsidy. Okay, keep it simple. Then, people that are already getting subsidy, the subsidies are going up. Again, I don't want to get too technical, but just know that if you were within that 100 to 400% federal poverty level, your subsidies are now going up. Okay, so this is something we might want to take advantage of. This is all happening, and I'm going to explain this soon, on April 1st. Okay, this is when the marketplace is going to adjust these numbers. Okay, now there is also another special enrollment period. Usually, open enrollment is from November 1st to December 15th. You cannot sign up for an ACA plan typically after those dates. Well, Biden passed another ruling or an executive order opening the marketplace again from February 15th to May 15th. So we have time to make these changes, everybody. And then April 1st, again, that's an important day because as far as we know, and things are changing very quickly and rapidly right now, as far as we know, that's when the marketplace is going to have all these updated numbers, okay? So I have videos on YouTube about subsidies and how they work a little bit more deeply if you want to know about that. Or you could say, screw all this, call me, shoot me a message, shoot me an email. I'm at 708-566-6589. Again, my name is Joe Davern, and I'm looking to help you out no matter what situation you're in. Even if you make too much for any of this, there's private plans that might be very good for you as well, avoiding all of this government craziness. So I look forward to hearing from you.